Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, we require the data as shown on the screen over here. This is the sample data from which we are going to create a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see that this is the macro button and in which I have assigned a VBA code which will help us to create a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. So first we will be seeing the output of a code, and then we will be having a deep understanding and the knowledge with explanation of the code to create a 3D pie chart. So let's see the output first. So as you can see, this is our 3D pie chart in VBA Excel, and this is how our output will look after writing the code in the VBA editor. So let's see the code explanation now in the VBA editor. Let's get started. So as you can see, this is our VBA editor, and this is one of the simplest way of creating a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. And if you're watching this video, then congratulations, you have learned or you have explored a new method to create a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. Now let's have a look on our code and let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So first we are going to create a sub procedure called create 3D pie chart. After that, we are going to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see that this is our data and we have selected a single cell inside our data. After that, we are going to create a with statement which will help us to create the 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. So what we are going to do, we are going to type with, and after that we are going to type activesheet.shapes.addChart2, and in the brackets we are going to give some parameters. So the first parameter is the chart value. So each and every chart has its own value, and today in this video we are going to use 2 as the chart value. After that, we are going to give the type of chart which we are going to create. So in this video we are going to create a 3D pie chart. So the chart type in VBA Excel is Excel 3D pie. Once you have given this type over here as a parameter, then we are going to give the left and top position parameter to position our chart. You can also give the height and width parameters by putting a comma after this in this parameter list, but that's optional. So what I did is I've used left and top to position my chart, and now I've closed and typed dot chart. So once you have given this line as a code inside your VBA editor, now in the next line we are going to create, or you can say we are going to set some parameters or elements inside this to look the chart more presentable. So the first thing after writing this line of code, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot hash title equals to true. This line of code enables the ability to create a chart title, and then we are going to give in the next line dot chart title dot text equals to 3D pie chart in VB Excel. So this is the chart title, this is the entire name of our chart title which is appearing over here. You can modify this as per your convenience. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set the legends on the top. As you can see, our legends are on top over here. So to set the legends on top, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element legend top. Once you've given this line of code, your legends will be placed on the top of your chart. and then we are going to type dot apply data labels, and after the space we are going to type show category name equals to true. So what this line of code will do is this will show the data labels with the category values. As you can see, we have the category comma value as well. So this will show the data labels are shown over here. After that, we are going to end the with statement. As you can see, we have created the with statement, and we are going to end the with statement over here. So if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. And also, if you want to select any empty cell, or you can say your chart will be selected over here once you write this code. So to deselect your chart, what we are going to do is we are going to type range e4 dot select, which is an empty cell. So you are going to select an empty cell to deselect your chart. Once you have done this, your chart will be deselected. Now congratulations, you have learned how to create a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. For more such videos, please do visit our channel page BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.